In this video, it is super cheap RC Mustang versus our Dragon's Breath combat robot. Can the Mustang last 3 minutes or not? I'm going to be driving the Mustang. Logan's going to be driving the Dragon's Breath. Can I evade him for 3 minutes? All he needs, we know, is 1 or 2 lucky shots and this thing's over. Can I do it? 3, 2, 1,
go!
I'm turning as fast as I can. Oh my gosh, you're really good. I'm still moving, I can still move. I can still move.
Oh god.
I got you. Oh no.
Oh,
I'm still moving. Oh, am I out of bounds? I can't drive.
No, you're in front of the ramp.
Alright, here we go.
Oh my gosh, it turned.
That was bad.
No. Oh!
Oh, it's so moved. I'm missing a wheel. I'm missing the front.
He's still going. Reshot.
I have very limited mobility now. Oh no, careful on the track. Oh, we need to pause. Okay, so it's literally, I can't believe it still drives. But it still drives. I still have some amount of steering, so I'm not out of this yet.
No chance.
We're gonna reset.
Wait, did you pause your timer?
I did. I paused the timer. All right, back in. So we have 2:10 left. It's only been 50 seconds. It feels like it's been an eternity as the Mustang driver. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm stuck on my own plastic. I'm stuck on my own gas.
Oh, can't turn.
Oh my god! Oh! I know you. What?
Oh, I'm finally dead. I can't move. It's over.
Wait, try?
Finish him. No, it won't move. We plugged the batteries or something. It's dead. Finish him.
Oh, those are wires. Oh god.
Hear me out.
Oh, you're teeing me up now, are you?
Full speed.
It's out of battery.
Oh!
James, show me what we got here.
Well, we have trunks of the used to be a Mustang. I think these go together.
It looks like that might have at one point. Yep. What's that other big chunk?
Okay, there's no piece.
I think this is the main body. It's like the computer chip in it. That
We have a steering servo. I wonder if it would have still steered. It looks like it might have still steered. Oh, there's part of the roof.
Oh,
The wheels are gone at this point. The wheels are absolutely gone. At some point we lost drive, and I'm guessing it might be...
I'm probably sure it's when the back of it just came off.
we still had the back of it on. And
Let's drive.
it was still, and we still lost drive. Yeah, I'm guessing we probably nicked a wire or something, and that was the death
Yeah,
toll
probably
for
that
it.
right there.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun. The battery compartment never came loose, so there's still batteries in there. We need to get those out for safety, but oh my gosh.
That's
So
honestly impressive.
it was.
How many times it got hit really hard?
Super duper cheap toy, and it kept going even after all those hits, but winner chicken dinner.
Yep.
Winner gets a chocolate, cameraman gets a chocolate, daddy gets a messy crotch.